Bitcoin Rush Review 2021, legit or scam? Live results. Read our expert review of Bitcoin Rush, see the product guide, pros, cons, and answers to frequently asked questions. Bitcoin Rush is an automated trading software that was created by users in 2018, and its best use is to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The biggest difference between Bitcoin Rush and other platforms is that it claims to emit signals 0.01 seconds faster than the others. It's said that the Bitcoin Rush software can hastily trade Bitcoin, allowing its users to quickly rush into the positions in this volatile market. What is Bitcoin Rush? To clear things up, the first thing we must clarify is that Bitcoin Rush is a software that trades automatically for their users, and helps them obtain profits by trading with Bitcoin through a very innovative automatic system. If you're familiar with other software like Bitcoin Trader and Bitcoin Revolution, then you know that Bitcoin Rush claims to have a great success rate when perform trades for their users. Users should just remember that all trading carries risks and users should only invest in regulated firms. When speaking about automatic trades and automatic trading software, we are generally speaking about a robot that basically can do everything for you, or at least that is what the platforms offer, and it would not be surprising, because today there are many Bitcoin robots like Bitcoin Revolution and Bitcoin Era that do the same. Basically, the user creates the account on the platform and chooses the amount they want to invest by configuring their account with the personal characteristics that most closely match their intentions, and the software itself will perform all the trades automatically on their behalf. In other words, once the user enters the platform and creates an account, he or she must only tell the robot what winnings are expected to be obtained, and then they will only click on Auto Trade on while the robot handles the rest. The platform offers very little information about the equipment behind Bitcoin Rush, which may not seem credible and a bit suspicious. However, we must say that although there are many websites that talk negatively about all Bitcoin robots, there are also users that claim to achieve success by using them and think otherwise. On the positive side, we must also say that Bitcoin Rush has reported that you can make weekly gains of up to $1,500 for every $250 that you invest, which will not make you rich, but will definitely help around. In short, the best way to know if Bitcoin Rush is a scam or not, is to prove it for yourself. However, we have several details that we are going to share below that can help you choose whether or not you want to proceed. Is Bitcoin Rush a scam or is it reliable? The answer to the above question is no, but to support that answer here goes a bold statement: if we bet on the lottery and lose, should we say that the lottery is a scam? Maybe it is, as well as it may not be. Investing in Bitcoin Rush as well as investing in any other robot like Bitcoin Code or Bitcoin Evolution, is something that involves risks that go far beyond whether it is a real platform or a scam. The market for cryptocurrencies and trading in general is a very volatile market, which is constantly changing. What Bitcoin Rush does, however, is claims to emit the signals that will make the automatic trading more likely to have a higher success rate than if you were trading manually. As we have said before, the best way is to try it yourself, which is why we offer you everything you need to know to open an account in Bitcoin Rush. Our first impressions after reviewing Bitcoin Rush. Bitcoin Rush is an automatic platform, made for the users to invest an amount of money with the brokers that are synced in with the software, and upon configuring the best settings, make automatic trades which allegedly bring profits that can range from $350 weekly to almost $2,000 for their users. The interface on the Bitcoin Rush platform was very smooth, and the platform itself was very user-friendly. When compared to other Bitcoin robots we've tried, it's safe to say that users' testimonials claim that Bitcoin Rush is amongst the best ones. We decided to keep pushing forward with our analysis, in hopes that we could put to test the platform. Bitcoin Rush claims to offer a margin of 90% success in the operations of its users. However, there are many pages where it is said that it is no more than a scam. The next step was the withdrawal of our funds, which was smooth, as expected. User claim it takes 24 hours to withdraw our profits. If what we have told you so far make you to want to open an account in Bitcoin Rush, then follow our thorough step-by-step below to get started. How to create a Bitcoin Rush account. Step 1. Registration. Once you enter Bitcoin Rush's website to register an account, you will see the option to register to create your account and start trading within the platform by entering your first and last names, as well as an email address. Simply fill in all the required fields so you can create an account and get started. Step 2. Demo trading. This step is recommended to first-time traders, as it will simulate the way the platform works on the market, and the way the software runs. I personally don't see the need, as it's very straightforward to run Bitcoin Rush, but feel free to test it out if you're not certain about the way it works. Once you feel confident enough, go back to your dashboard so you can get started on the live trading mode. Step 3. Deposit. Once you're ready to commit to the live mode, all there's left is to make your initial deposit. Bitcoin Rush is free to use with your account, but you need to make an initial investment with the broker to let it run. The minimum investment is of $250, which is an acceptable amount to start. The brokers accept a wide array of deposit methods like credit or debit card, Payoneer, Netella or Skrill. I recommend credit card, as it's easier to get the deposit sorted within minutes. It is also important to clarify that the data provided will be completely confidential and for investing with the brokers only. Step 4. Live trading. Once you've got the funds added to your account, you are ready to begin trading in the live mode. Click on the dashboard button in the left menu, select the settings, not a requirement as the robot normally does it all for you, and click on the button to turn the auto trade on. What I recommend is to set the trade amount to as low as you can, because you just want to reduce the risk involved. Once that's been taken care of, click on the button to turn on your Bitcoin Rush software and just start trading. Key features of Bitcoin Rush. Reportedly a consistent profitability. I recommend you using the best settings available when investing, so that you can make the most out of this platform. Make sure to test out the best settings during the week. There's a lot of volatility with cryptocurrencies, and if you educate yourself you will definitely learn more about it. The important thing is to learn more and improve your trading knowledge. That way, you will always work smart with your money. Great security with little effort. Bitcoin Rush is a reliable robot, and does seem like it is one of the best options to start trading with. The deposit is hassle-free and can be done by providing your credit card details only when you make the deposit in their secure platform, or by selecting other deposit methods available. Low commissions. Bitcoin Rush doesn't charge extra commissions, only those already established. You can register for free and operate almost in the same way in almost all of its functions. It works trough brokers. This is one of the best features that I must commend them on. The brokers will do all the work for you in an automated way. You only have to set up the configuration correctly, according to your interests, and the platform will do all the rest of the work. You may receive a call from your account manager who will share with you the best opportunities. Let's compare Bitcoin Rush with the rest of the trading robots. Bitcoin Rush. The registration is hassle-free. It takes no longer than 20 minutes to register and get started. It has a reported success rate of 82% or higher, which makes it one of the best trading robots. The minimum initial amount to start trading is $250. You can make deposits quickly, easily, and above all very secure, as well as withdrawals. Other robots. Some involve very slow and cumbersome processes with long useless forms. Few robots give that advantage, they perform automatically with poor performance. Some robots are not so reliable when making deposits. Others take up to weeks to deliver your money. Sometimes, they don't even give you profits at all. Advantages of Bitcoin Rush. Very easy to use. Bitcoin Rush is user-friendly and great for all sorts of users who are looking to trade or invest in Bitcoin. Greater speed. The signals emitted are said to be faster than the average. Bitcoin Rush does retrieve the signals emitted by the market trends with Rush. Good customer service, 24/7 live support via web chat on their platform. It's quite handy as there's always someone online on the website. Can Bitcoin Rush really get signals emitted for Bitcoin in a rush? The truth to this question is that we don't know. Users claim that Bitcoin Rush performs better than most trading algorithms, but we cannot guarantee if it can pick up on the signals and trends of the market to perform at high success rates. There are several platforms that are used to receive the signals emitted by Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but at the end of the day it will depend on how effective the robot is to translate the signals and place trades for their users. Bitcoin trading claims to have made a lot of people into self-made millionaires overnight. To be completely fair, most people don't even know what they are doing most of the time, and just enjoy the ride whilst surfing on the crypto wave. Some tips and advice to reduce the risk of loss. Deposit the minimum at the beginning. Only invest the amount you'll be ready to commit or lose. There's a lot of volatility with cryptocurrencies, so you never know what may happen. Invest wisely. Learn from the experts. The brokers should assign you an account manager who will call you to help you set up your account if needed. Withdraw your earnings. Every time you reach an interesting amount, withdraw your money. Do not make the mistake of losing everything because of greed. Does Bitcoin Rush have a mobile app? Unfortunately, we could not find anything about a mobile app for Bitcoin Rush, thus leading us to believe it's unavailable. On the positive side though, Bitcoin Rush does run on the web version of the browsers, which means you can access it either from your mobile, tablet or even desktop. Bitcoin Rush review, the verdict. Following our review, it appears that Bitcoin Rush is a legit trading robot. It takes money to make money, so if you invest the minimum amount required, you will also make the minimum amount of profit, so don't be alarmed if you see lower earnings as you invest only a little capital. Everything is a matter of trying and see if it suits you or not. Users should remember that all trading carries risks and users should only invest in regulated firms. This goes not only for investing, but also researching, knowing the real profit margins, knowing true testimonies, and comparing the probable with your expectations to determine whether it is worthy to invest in Bitcoin Rush. If you're looking for other suggestions, you should check out our Bitcoin Up review. Frequently asked questions. What is Bitcoin Rush? Bitcoin Rush is a Bitcoin trading robot which claims to generate daily profits for its investors by trading BTC using state-of-the-art algorithms to scan the markets and make smart trading decisions. Is Bitcoin Rush legit or scam? Bitcoin Rush is legit, real and working. The platform is easy to use and intuitive, and users report great profits with this software. Just remember that all trading carries risks. Only trade at regulated providers. How much can I earn with Bitcoin Rush? Bitcoin Rush investors report making profits of up to $1,000 per day with this software. However, this number may vary and is not without risk. Can I withdraw the Bitcoin on my Bitcoin Rush account? No, you can't. You won't really acquire the Bitcoin, but it will be used to trade as a CFD, which is a representation of the Bitcoin available in the market by the broker of your choice. Do I need to select one of these brokers listed in Bitcoin Rush? Yes, you need to use one of the brokers displayed on the platform. The reason for that is because the tool is connected via API to the broker in question, and it's being used on the platform the broker has made available for the software. Bitcoin Rush is free to use, but you may need to deposit an initial amount to use it with one of the brokers. Please visit the link below for more details.